Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Tiffany on the Stryker SR-497HPC. Tiffany, this thing's ready to go to Virginia. Hope you and your husband really enjoy this radio. I appreciate y'all's repeat business. We'll start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Got it set at 2 watts all the way down in case y'all decide to run like a 6 or 8 pill one day. You get full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 30 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing audio. Of course, it's 50 watt slug in the corner. Let's go to the 250 watt scale in average power. Top scale. Hello, 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 hello. 57 bird. Show you PEP. Hello, 1, 2 audio. 125 watts of clean power. Here's your talk back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Crank her up a little more. Turn a little echo on here. Port. 1, 2, 1, 2. Break, break, break. Set her how you want. All right. We're going to get her out to you. Appreciate it. Merry Christmas. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.